So the question is, what are rational functions? Using this definition, rational function is a function that is the ratio of polynomials. In anticipation to doing this video, I already did a video on what are polynomials, because I think it's really important that you understand the concept of a polynomial. I'll put it at the end of this video so that you can visit that website. And there are many videos that would be really helpful for you in this channel, for people doing A-level, for people doing SACE, for people doing other year 11 and 12 and advanced maths. It would be a great help to me if you subscribe to this channel and also tick the thumb up. So a rational function takes that form of f(x), where the numerator is a polynomial and the denominator must be a polynomial. But there's a caveat. The denominator must not equal to 0. I would like to give you an example of rational functions and how you can identify a rational function. Let's look at some examples. The first one, pretty simple. I can identify that the numerator is a polynomial and the denominator is a polynomial. Alright, the second example, the numerator is a polynomial and the denominator is a polynomial, so we have a rational function. Alright, let's do a trickier question. Let's say I have 3 over 5x plus 1. By definition, 3 is a polynomial. So this is a polynomial because it's a constant. And a constant is a polynomial. 3 is a polynomial because we can write this 3 with a variable x to the power of 0. And since the denominator is also a polynomial, we'll have a rational function. I'll give you another example. Now, yes, we can say that the numerator is a polynomial and so is the denominator, but in this case, it's very important that you understand that the denominators of a rational functions cannot be constants. And so this is not a rational function. In fact, we call this a linear function. Other functions which will also not be rational is 1 if there is a root x in it, because we know that root x is not part of a polynomial, because a polynomial cannot have a fractional exponent. This is not going to be a rational function. As well as this one over here, where I'll write 3 plus 1 over x over 2 minus x, and this is also not a polynomial because this is not a polynomial, whereas this is, so altogether not a rational function. These 3 examples are not rational. In the following videos, I'd like to show you how to look at how to find the domain and the range of rational functions, and also how to find the asymptotes of rational functions, the vertical and the horizontal asymptotes, and the oblique ones, and graphing rational functions. What do they look like? So yes, please subscribe to this channel.